Hi guys, welcome back. Just wanted to give you a quick little video. Not sure if this is really honestly talked about. I haven't found too many videos or the subject is talked about, but I'm going to talk about when it comes to the oxygen sensors or the O2 sensors on the Infinities. Basically for the Infinity 35s, the 37s, the 350s, the 370s. It doesn't matter whether it's a DE or an HR, they're all the same. When you get the codes for O2 sensor failures, when you're trying to figure out whether it's bank 1 or bank 2, the easiest way to tell is when you're looking at the engine bay. You have your passenger side, you have driver side, you have cylinders 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, and 6. Passenger side is always bank 1. How can you tell? Is always it's going to be cylinder 1 with bank 1, cylinder 2 with bank 2. You have two sensors on each side. First sensor, sensor 1. Second sensor, sensor 2. Obviously. So when you get the codes for bank 1, sensor 1, it's going to be right after the headers. You get the code for bank 1, sensor 2, it's at the cats, or after the cats. And vice versa on the same side, on the opposite side. Bank 2, sensor 1, headers. Bank 2, sensor 2, after the cats. So remember, bank 1, cylinder 1, passenger side. Bank 2, sensor 2, driver side. Hope that clears some things up. I know it did for me.